Hi everyone. So I'm just playing a little bit here in my studio. I'm just exploring some movement and some shapes as I prepare to paint the snake for 2025. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to make sense. But I would encourage you to get into it and just to try it and see for yourself what wants to come up from your subconscious mind. This is the year of the wood snake, so it's very transformative, it's very healing, it's very empowering. And when we say things are healing, it can cause a bit of discomfort. It's not necessarily easy, and I find this particular process in time in my life quite challenging actually. I just recently spent a little bit of time with my fellow creative coaches and just diving into my content and just being vulnerable and asking about why does it feel to me like my videos, my contents and my classes aren't landing where I expect them to land. And for a minute there, I think I was sort of looking at myself as the problem, in the sense of maybe I'm not communicating well enough, maybe my choice of reference material is too freaky. I mean, who wants to paint snakes? I mean, really, can we not paint some flowers, right? But this is what creative coaching is all about for me. It is about sitting with the uncomfortable. It is facing our fears. It is facing our insecurities, or becoming aware of our insecurities and how it can govern our lives. And at this moment, I found a book by Mel Robinson called Let Them. And I just find it so empowering and liberating. And it's helping me to align myself with my own frequency and my own journey and not be so bothered by other people's opinions or my idea of their opinions of me, and just recognize that I am offering invaluable, beautiful, healing modality of art to everyone, and showing you that you can heal your life through your art, because I'm a living testament of that. Dealing with a lot of things like ADHD and dyslexia and entry-level spectrum autism, it's sometimes difficult for me just to jump on a camera and be vulnerable and share with everyone. I don't always have that resilience available at any time. I have to plan that carefully, but I did want to just pop on this morning and just share with you guys as I'm playing at my canvas and preparing for filming this amazing snake medicine for 2025, and just reflecting on all of the beautiful feedback that my fellow coaches has given me, just affirming that I'm not delusional. The work that I offer is amazing. It's empowering. I must just believe in myself a bit more. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So check out my free offerings that I have for you guys, and hopefully you guys will be more inspired to join me on this transformative journey of painting the snake in this year of the snake 2025, and face some of the fears and concerns that you have through dealing with a symbol like the snake that can be scary. I think it's scary for most, and it's supposed to be scary, so that's okay, you know. Just wanted to share with you guys. So I'll see you guys again soon.